Hello everybody, I want to show you today how to make a website step by step, just in 6 or 7 minutes, so just follow me. The first thing, we need to go down there on my YouTube channel. You're gonna find the link, that link, so just click on it. It's gonna take you to this page. So after that, just click started, and what you're gonna find here, like a few payment plan. So for $2.95 you're gonna host one website, and for $5.45 for a month you can host unlimited websites. And this one is just temporary, I guess. It's a good one, the same price but with more benefits. So for me, I'm gonna pick this one because it's same price, you see. And Bluehost gives you like one free domain, so you can pick here whatever you want, like for your website. And if you have one already, just write it here. So for me, I'm gonna pick this one. But for me, I don't really want to pass a free domain, so I'm just gonna write my own. So, oh, it's already here. Then after that, I'm gonna press next and I'll move website. And after that, you need to put your information like your first name, last name, and the other stuff, and even the payment stuff like the Visa card. And I already did that before, so I'm not gonna put this. So just fill your information, and I'm gonna see you after that. Alright, so once you're inside Bluehost, you are going to want to install WordPress to your website. So click on install WordPress here and simply click install again. Pick the domain where you are going to install WordPress to. Okay, now we have installed WordPress to our site. So Bluehost is gonna give you like a username and password and the page to log in from, and you will want to change that as soon as you log in for the first time. So let's do that. So this is what your WordPress login will look like. You are going to want to copy and paste the username and the password that Bluehost gave you before, right here and right here as well, but I prefer if you're gonna change it when you log in because it's really complicated password. So just log in now. And welcome to WordPress. This is WordPress, and these are the tools you need to use on it to make your website better, to build your website and everything. So here what's look like is tutorials. So if you don't know anything about this, I recommend to press yes and see everything, but for me I'm gonna press no thanks. I'm gonna show you the basics for WordPress in the video, and they will get on the more advanced details in the other videos. Okay, so now just click on website, and you're not gonna find a lot of stuff here, so you can change that and the customize. Go into set and to site identity. I'm gonna name it anatomy of website, and I'm gonna change the tagline as well to an awesome website. So click save and publish, then click on the X, and then let me show you how to change the theme. You could go to theme right there or just go down there, and I use professional theme that I actually have to upload it, but there is a lot of free themes here. You can choose everything you want. So let's try this. Activate it, then you go into the page. You see it's already changed it. This looks good, by the way, and this is the first blog post. It's showing up on the homepage because there is no other content on the homepage. So let me show you how to edit and post your very first blog post. And you will see that WordPress has already set up a simple post. You can edit this one for your first blog post, or you can just trace it, like I'm going to do right now, and then go add the new. Then we call this my first blog post, and we're gonna write here insert awesome content here. So alright, and we're gonna put a picture down here just by going right here and clicking add media, and this media library will store all your photos, but I'm going to upload now another one now, and just something random. I don't know, I'm gonna pick this one. So just click insert into post, and there it is. So just click publish to publish the post, and you can click on view post or just go back on the home page. Okay, here we are. That's our first blog post. It's live and there it is. That's all. Thank you all for watching my videos. Just go down there, click on the link, so you're gonna start creating your own website, and good luck with that. See you in the next video.